14, what's the parent function for the equation y equals the absolute value of x minus 2? Y equals the absolute value of x. That is the most simple absolute value function. It's the simplest absolute value function. So number 15, I'm asked to graph a system of linear inequalities. For me to graph these, I need to find at least 2 points. I don't want to... You could solve both of these for y and put it in the calculator. Sometimes you're going to get some weird fractions. So it's best to just look at it in standard form. So I'm going to do the cover-up method and find the x-intercept and the y-intercept for both of these. So for the first one, I'm looking at the x-intercept. I'm going to cover up y. So I just have 2x equals 3. So I have 3 halves 0. I was looking at 2x equals 3. If I'm looking at my y-intercept, x is 0, so I have negative y equals 3. So it's 0, negative 3. For the next equation, my x-intercept, I'm going to have 5x equals 8. So 8/5, 0. My y-intercept, I'm going to have y equals 8. So 0, 8. So 3 halves, it's about 1, 1.5. So it's 1.5, 0. And then my y-intercept is 0, negative 3. And then the other one, 8/5, that's almost 2. And 8. 0, 8. So for these, it's inequalities, so I need to be really, really careful about my shading and all that. So if I have this, I'm going to have a solid line. And this one, I'm going to have a dashed line. Because it's not equal. So I have a dashed line, and my other one, I'm going to have a solid line. I'm going to look at the point 0, 0. It's my test point. If I put 0, 0 into here, my left side's 0, and I have 0 is less than or equal to 3. 0 is less than or equal to 3. So for my green equation, my green line, I'm going to shade above. For my pink line, if I use 0, 0, I get 0 is greater than 8. That is not true. So I'm going to shade above. I'm not going to shade where 0, 0 is. Where those two interlap, right there. I'm going to do this in the calculator as well. So my first equation, y is negative, so I'm going to add y over, and I'm going to subtract 3. That's going to give me 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to y. If it's less than or equal to y, that means y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 3. The second one, I'm going to subtract 5x and add 8. Oh my gosh, no, I'm not going to add 8. So I get y is greater than negative 5x plus 8. So I'll put those into y equals.